pretty much done now. Majority of the sanding's done. Cleaned out inside the profiles. Just done a little bit of fine filling where there's nicks or chips on the edge. So just waiting for that to go off, and then we'll have one last run over 120 just to finish that off. But yeah, you make sure it's fully cured first. So this is what we're kind of looking for, where we can just sand it back just to the edge of the bead, and then when the cover goes in, cover's perfect, edge of the cover's perfectly flush with the ceiling. So yeah, a little bit more work, maybe another hour of sanding once the filler's gone off. Tighten up, and then we're ready. So I'm just going to start getting the measuring up, getting the cut length, cut list and the plan for the strip. In the meantime, these are sanded back. And done a little bit of additional filling where there were a couple of chips. It should be ready to go. Again, once that's cured, we'll sand that back again and that's ready for paint. Just some sockets. It's been sanded back, filled. From filling out the sand, that'll be ready to go. And then over here, this one also is being sanded back. It's quite a bit of filling still, quite big holes underneath. So that's been done. Ready for a sand after that's gone off, but it's quite thick in places, so it might not be ready for a day or two. So let's get on with measuring up, getting ready to work out what legs we're going to need, where our solder joints are going to be, and how we're going to get it up on the ceiling.